Have you ever pondered over the magic that happens within your body every time you enjoy your favorite meal? Ever wondered about the silent workers that make it possible for you to gain energy from the food you eat? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of digestive enzymes and their vital role in our bodies. Imagine a bustling city filled with workers, each with a specific job to keep the city running smoothly. Now, apply that image to your body, where the city represents your digestive system and the workers are the digestive enzymes. These enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body. They break down food into nutrients, which the body uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. The process of digestion begins in the mouth. As soon as you take the first bite of your food, an enzyme called amylase, present in your saliva, starts the process of breaking down carbohydrates into simpler sugars. Then, the food travels down the esophagus into the stomach, where another enzyme, pepsin, comes into play. Pepsin starts breaking down proteins into smaller peptides. The stomach acid assists pepsin in this process by providing the right acidic environment. Next, the partially digested food, now in a semi-liquid form known as chyme, moves into the small intestine. Here, three main enzymes, amylase, protease, and lipase, released by the pancreas, continue the process of digestion. Amylase breaks down carbohydrates, protease works on proteins, and lipase breaks down fats. The walls of the small intestine release additional enzymes, such as lactase, sucrase, and maltase, which act on the broken down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, converting them into their simplest forms. These are then absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to different cells in the body, providing energy, aiding growth, and supporting cell repair. The remaining undigested food and water are then passed into the large intestine or colon, where the water is absorbed and the rest is expelled from the body as waste. So, what have we learned today? Digestive enzymes are crucial for the process of digestion. They break down the food we eat into nutrients, which can then be absorbed into the bloodstream. This process starts in the mouth with the enzyme amylase and continues in the stomach with pepsin. The small intestine, with the help of amylase, protease, lipase, lactase, sucrase, and maltase, completes the digestion of food into its simplest forms. The large intestine then absorbs water, and the remaining undigested food is expelled as waste. In essence, these silent workers, the digestive enzymes, ensure that our bodies get the necessary nutrients from the food we consume. They play a vital role in our well-being, and without them, our bodies would not function properly. So the next time you enjoy a meal, take a moment to appreciate the complex process of digestion and the enzymes that make it all possible.